If you ever feel like you've been busy all day but haven't actually achieved anything, or maybe you've got a really long to-do list and you're just really overwhelmed with where to start, then this is where you need to prioritise your tasks. Task prioritisation is simply deciding where to place your time, your energy and your attention, and learning to focus on what matters most rather than just doing what's on the top of your to-do list. Hi, I'm Raminda. I'm a financial modeller. I've got more than 15 years of experience where I've helped clients gain efficiency and clarity in their life and business through smart spreadsheets and tools. In this video, we'll cover what task prioritization really means, how it can help you move your life forward, and how frameworks like the Eisenhower Matrix can help decision making so much easier. I'll also share the exact tool that I use to stay organised and prioritise my own tasks. Task prioritisation is not just about making a list. It's about ranking your tasks based on the urgency, the importance, and the overall impact that it has on your goals. Most of us just default to doing the easy tasks or whatever is at the top of our list, but the reality is, being busy doesn't always mean being productive. Imagine you have 15 things on your list, and you spend all day responding to emails and tweaking the reports or clearing your kitchen. But that one thing that could actually move your life forward, like going to a networking event or learning a new skill, just gets pushed down your list and down and maybe postponed to tomorrow until it's never done. Task prioritization is about breaking that cycle. It reframes the way you look at your to-do list, making sure that the tasks that matter get your valuable time and attention. We make hundreds of decisions every single day, and that takes up mental space and energy. You're constantly thinking of what to do next, and that mental back and forth is exhausting. When you learn to prioritize, you become more intentional with your time. You learn to stop reacting and start responding with more meaning and purpose. When you've already decided what matters most, you don't waste any time debating it, you just get on with actioning it. Most people confuse activity with progress. You can be busy all day and still not get closer to your goals. Prioritization flips that. It makes sure that your time and energy goes into the tasks that actually move the needle forward. Over time, this means that you accomplish more in your career, your personal goals, or your family life, rather than just spending it on things that are wasting your time. When you look at a never-ending to-do list, it can be really overwhelming and create anxiety. But when you're confident that you're working on the things that matter most, it creates calm and can bring new perspective. That clarity can take away that panic because you know that you're working on the right things. Some tasks won't feel urgent today, but if you consistently ignore them, they can be potential setbacks. Things like fitness or networking or learning a new skill. These are the quiet tasks that often get pushed down our list, but these are actually the things that shape our future. Prioritization makes sure that these long-term, high-value activities don't get overlooked, and over time, they can compound into big results. One of my favourite methods is the Eisenhower Matrix, also known as the Urgent Important Matrix. It was first created by Dwight D. Eisenhower, who was the 34th President of the US, and he had this famous quote: "The Eisenhower Matrix breaks your tasks down into 4 main categories. These are things that you need to do right now. These are quite often tasks that are time sensitive or have consequences if you don't do them by a certain time. For example, it could be handling something at work, or it could be completing that report by a certain deadline. Put these tasks at the top of your list and do them as soon as you can. These are usually distractions disguised as priorities. These need to be done right now, but they don't really help you long term. They're usually tasks that can be handled by somebody else, like admin work or hosting a meeting. Where possible, delegate these tasks or batch complete them at another time. These are your golden tasks. These are tasks that help you grow, to plan, to move forward. They matter long term, but they don't need to be done right now. So it could be something like developing a new fitness routine or planning your content calendar for next month. Schedule these into your calendar so you've got dedicated time to complete. These tasks, quite simply, are a bit of a waste of time. They might feel necessary or they might feel comforting, but actually they're not really moving you forward. They're quite often a distraction from what really matters, so this could be like endless scrolling or just binge watching for the sake of it. Remove or reduce these tasks, or maybe just replace them with something better or more meaningful. And the tool that I use is my Priority Task Organiser, which is based on this very method. You simply type in your tasks, Flag their importance or urgency, and the spreadsheet automatically helps you sort them into the right category. If you're interested in getting hold of one, there's a link in the description box below. Having a simple system like this takes away the mental load and helps you structure your day and gives you that peace of mind. Here are a few more strategies to help you with your to-do lists. Instead of switching between 10 different tasks, you can either group similar ones together or have a themed day. For example, dealing with all your emails all at once, or maybe having a separate day dedicated to content creation. This reduces the mental energy that's wasted during all the constant switching and just keeps you focused and productive. Start each day by identifying the top 3 must-do tasks and then just focus on these 3 tasks before you move on to anything else. By handling these first, you get them out of the way and the rest of the day just feels more free. Don't just keep your to-do list on a list, add them to your calendar. Time blocking is a great way to dedicate time to those key tasks. Work with your energy levels and your energy flow. If you've got more energy in the morning, maybe do some of your deep focus work then and save your lighter tasks for the afternoon. At the end of each week, just take some time to check what was done, what slipped through, and what needs to be adjusted for the following week. I'd love to hear what your biggest struggles are when it comes to tasks, and if you have any other tips, let me know in the comments. I release content every week, and so if you found this useful, I would love for you to like and subscribe and join me next week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.